Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are in Southold. We are in the American Legion. We are doing a car show for the American Legion, and whoever watched my channel and been with me, you remember when I started the channel, I have the first car show I came here with the American Legion, but I came with the Model A. Today I didn't have a chance to come with the Model A. I came with this monster. I came with my boss. Let's take you on a ride and see all of the cars here and enjoy with them.
Found in California in January 2018 with 41,000 original miles. It was bump stock when I got it, obviously not so now. 12-inch suspension lift, went to an 46-inch tire change. That added another 8, so the effective lift is 20 inches overall. It's just turned 50,000 miles last week.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. We tried to cover most of the car was in the American Legion today. It was a good crowd, it was a good show, good cars. Thank you for every guy come and say hi and support us. Thank you for everything. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget, hit the subscribes, hit the like, and leave a comment below, and share the video, let the people see it. And how we say it all the time, have a wonderful day or have a wonderful night wherever you are around the world. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rent the air, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
P. Hoover, 31 years old, Salt Lake City, Utah. Marine Corps Sergeant Johnny Rosario Picardo, only 25 years old, of Lawrence, Massachusetts. Marine Corps Sergeant Nicole L. G., 23 years old, of Sacramento, California. Marine Corps Corporal Hunter Lopez, 22, of Indo, California. Marine Corps Corporal Deegan W. Page, 23, of Omaha, Nebraska. Marine Corps Corporal Humberto A. Sanchez, 22, of Lagansport, Indiana. Marine Corps Lance Corporal David L. Espinizo, 20, of Rio Bravo, Texas. Marine Corps Lance Corporal Jared M. Schmitz, 20, of St. Charles, Missouri. Marine Corps Lance Corporal Riley J. McCollum, 20, of Jackson, Wyoming. Marine Corps Lance Corporal Dylan R. Marola, 20, of Rancho Cucamonga, California. Marine Corps Lance Corporal Karen M. Nikui, 20, of Norco, California. Navy Hospitalman Maxton W. Soviak, 22, of Berlin Heights, Ohio. Army Staff Sergeant Ryan C. Knaus, 23, of Corton, Tennessee. So when you think about all those young kids, really, who lost their lives serving us, they're from all the different states in the United States. This is why the American Legion exists. This is why we do these events every year. And I want to say thank you, everybody who's here. God bless you. Have a good time. And thank you for taking the time and honoring all of those who have fallen.